A huge welcome to this course. This is a course on using a mind map as a dashboard for your video productions, specifically for a Udemy course production. Why use a mind map, you might ask? Well, mind maps are a brilliant visual representation to access all of your resources for your courses. So whether it's files on the web, whether it's files on your hard drive or an external hard drive, or resources on the web itself, so links to the Udemy Studio or Udemy YouTube instruction videos, or indeed web resources for research for your course itself. So instead of having to trail through directory structures or search through the web each time, you have everything you need with a single access through your dashboard. So with no further ado, let's start the course.